How to beat anxiety and depression naturally. Depression and anxiety are common mood disorders which include panic disorders, agoraphobia, generalized anxiety disorder, social anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Anxiety disorders develop due to an interplay between environmental and genetic factors. Cognitive behavior therapy is useful for this disorder, as well as prescription anxiolytic drugs. However, many patients prefer a natural approach, or dislike the side effects of prescription drugs, including the potential for addiction. But there are many non-prescription supplements available to help overcome these various mood disorders. Before starting natural supplements for an anxiety or mood disorder, be sure to mention your concerns and get a general checkup from your doctor. Symptoms resembling anxiety, depression, and other mood disorders can be caused by physical diseases such as hormone imbalance, hyperthyroidism, or cardiac arrhythmias. However, if you are sure your problem is a mood disorder, the following supplements may be of help, and often have fewer side effects than commercial pharmaceutical products. 1. Chamomile tea is one of the best-known natural remedies for anxiety. It affects the digestive tract and the nervous system. Thus it is helpful for people who suffer from gastrointestinal symptoms, such as cramps along with mental anxiety. It is recommended that patients drink fresh tea made with chamomile leaves, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per cup of water, several times a day. It is also available in tinctures which can be added to water. Chamomile capsules are convenient to take along to work, eliminating the time involved in brewing tea. 2. Damiana is a nerve tonic which also has a restorative property. It has a calming effect in cases of mild depression and anxiety, and is also reputed to be an aphrodisiac. Damiana contains flavonoids that act on benzodiazepine and GABA receptors. It exhibits anti-anxiety activity, muscle relaxation, and sedation. Damiana has demonstrated mild hypoglycemic effects in animal studies. People with diabetes and hypoglycemia should use this plant with caution and monitor blood sugar levels closely. Damiana consumption is not advisable during pregnancy. 3. Kava kava has a very quick calming effect on the nervous system, and causes an uplifting, euphoric feeling. It is also a muscle relaxant and mild sedative. It helps anxiety, tension, stress, irritability, and insomnia. Kava stops the mind from racing, often a symptom of generalized anxiety disorder. Kava kava is a traditional Polynesian remedy, and while it has been used safely by Polynesians for centuries, now that it has become popular worldwide, it has been linked to some cases of liver failure in people of other ethnic groups who have difficulty metabolizing it. Ask a healthcare professional before use if you have a history of liver problems. Frequently use alcoholic beverages or are taking any medication. Do not use kava if less than 18 years of age, or if pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not take kava kava on a daily basis for more than 4 weeks without consulting a healthcare provider. Take frequent breaks from use. 4. Passion flower is most often used for insomnia, but it can also be taken in the daytime to reduce the effects of stress and anxiety. This herb is often included in European formulas for heart palpitations, which often have anxiety as a component. It can be taken in capsule form. Passion flower, though it helps bring on natural sleep, does not have the sedative effects of many prescription sleeping pills. 5. Pulsatilla is a homeopathic remedy said to be most suitable for tension headache, hyperactivity, trouble sleeping, boils, asthma and other lung diseases, earache, migraines, nerve pain, general restlessness, disorders of the gastrointestinal, and disorders of the urinary tract. Homeopathic remedies use small concentrations of compounds to nudge the body into healing itself. They either help or they do not, there are no toxic side effects. 6. Skullcup is a relaxing and gentle sedative for the central nervous system. It is very good for nervous tension and for nervous exhaustion. Skullcap can also be sleep-inducing, but it is rarely habit-forming. 7. St. John's wort is commonly used for depression, but helps anxiety as well. Quality varies widely between brands. It is best to buy the product standardized. It works by increasing the level of neurotransmitters in the central nervous system, such as serotonin and dopamine. Do not use this product if also taking prescription antidepressants. 8. Valerian has been used since Greek and Roman times to promote sleep and relaxation. It can treat insomnia, depression and anxiety, and stress-related gastrointestinal upset. According to one theory, valerian affects the brain in a way similar to Valium, while another theory holds that valerian contains GABA, a neurotransmitter which has a calming effect on the brain, or else influences the brain's natural production of GABA. Also, some researchers believe that valerian affects serotonin levels in a manner similar to antidepressant drugs. Some people feel groggy after taking valerian. If this occurs, lower the dose. Avoid hazardous activities while using valerian, and do not combine it with other sedatives, antidepressants or alcohol. Do not take valerian for more than 3 weeks, as it can become habit-forming. 9. Verbena is a relaxing nervous system tonic, useful for a wide range of nervous disorders, including nervous exhaustion and stress. 10. Withania is an Ayurvedic herb sold under the name ashwagandha. It is a very good tonic herb that is especially helpful for fatigue and nervous exhaustion due to stress. It has steroidal, stress-reducing, sedative and anti-inflammatory properties. It is also useful for panic attacks and phobic disorders such as agoraphobia. The good news is there are natural remedies for depression that are effective and help address the root cause of the condition. If you're looking for a natural way to improve anxiety and depression symptoms without the side effects of prescription medication, go ahead and give these supplements a try. Like, share, comment. Subscribe to Total Transformation channel.